Introduction to Nova Launcher.
Nova Launcher is a powerful app that helps you completely customize your Android home screen. With it, you can change the look, organize apps, add widgets, and create custom gestures. Whether you want a fresh new layout or complete control over your home screen's appearance, Nova Launcher makes it easy to personalize your device.
Installing and setting up Nova Launcher.
Start by downloading Nova Launcher from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to set it as your default home screen. You'll be greeted with options to import your current layout or start fresh. Take a moment to browse the settings for basic customization options, including icon style, app drawer layout, and transition animations.
Adding and customizing widgets.
To add widgets, long press on any empty space on your home screen and select Widgets. Browse through the available options to find weather, clock, calendar, or other widgets you like. Drag your chosen widget onto the home screen, then resize or reposition it as needed. Nova supports custom widget sizes, making it easy to create a unique layout that fits your style.
Applying themes and icon packs.
Personalize your device further by applying icon packs and themes. Download icon packs from the Play Store, then open Nova Settings and go to Look and Feel. Select your desired icon pack and adjust shape, size, and color as you like. Experiment with wallpapers and dock backgrounds for a cohesive look that suits your preferences.
Using gestures for quick actions.
Unlock powerful shortcuts by setting up gestures in Nova Launcher. Go to Nova Settings and tap on Gestures and Inputs. Here, you can assign actions like swiping up, double tapping, or pinching your home screen to launch apps, open notifications, or toggle settings. Gestures help you navigate your device quickly and give your home screen a truly personal touch.
Tips for ongoing customization.
Keep exploring Nova Launcher's features for even more customization. Try creating folders for better organization, hiding unused apps, and experimenting with backup and restore settings. With regular updates and a user-friendly interface, Nova Launcher offers endless ways to keep your Android home screen fresh and tailored to your needs.